Discover lavish living at University Crossings in Philadelphia, your gateway to a gorgeous student home. Choose from the opulent 2- and 3-bedroom apartments and step into luxury with a fully furnished space just for you. Each apartment has central heating and air conditioning, hardwood floors, and individual locking bedroom doors, so all your belongings remain safe. Whip up deliciousness in the full-size kitchen, styled with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Sweat it out at the 24-hour fitness center, equipped with cardio machines and strength equipment. Breeze through laundry at the on-site facilities. Elevate your downtime with billiards at the recreation center or arcade games. You'll forget all about bills with all-inclusive utilities. Primely located at John F Kennedy Blvd, you are less than 5 minutes from Drexel University and just a short walk from the University of Pennsylvania. So, getting to uni will be a breeze. Also, with various commute options available nearby, travel will be seamless. So, hurry and grab your spot at University Crossings in Philadelphia now with amberstudent.com.